Well, good morning guys from our house in Seward, Alaska. I've been fighting the most annoying cold. Here we tend to call it the Seward crud. Just a lingering cold that doesn't go away. But today I'd like to show you how easy it is to repair some of these freshwater plumbing lines that are in an RV. So these are the water heater bypass valves, and that center one is leaking, just a slow drip. And I thought I saw a drip come from the ones on the right and the left. So since we're in here, we're just going to replace all of them. Okay, I obviously had to have de-winterized the system just to find the leak, but you want to make sure to drain the hot water heater. So thanks to some of these pieces, this is not a very complicated job. This is a little plumber's tool that I got at Home Depot for like 11 bucks. Pretty sure it's gonna be cheaper on Amazon. And all of these things you're gonna find in our video description. We'll put them on the Amazon store for you so you don't have to do what I did. Cause I wasn't quite sure, and I hate vaguely ordering stuff off of Amazon. So I got these from Karen's RV in Anchorage. They were about $20 each. I know they're gonna be cheaper online. These are called SharkBite fittings. I got them from our local plumbing store, which, think of these like a Chinese finger trap, guys. Pretty awesome. They can snap on and snap off, and this little tool I'll leave with the motorhome facilitates that. They also make 90-degree turns, and this is PEX, which is the 1/2-inch plastic tubing, and it's also 5/8 outside diameter, if that helps you. The bypass valve piece has been assembled here, and it's a little wider than the one in there, but hey, I got it pretty darn close. So I have it so it can be bypassed right there, or I can turn the valves, and then it will go to the water heater, and then on out with hot water. This part is a little bit like a puzzle. So as you notice, I do have one valve upside down just to make it work. Okay, well, I'm at the point where I can cut into these water lines. Nothing's pressurized, but there's definitely water in the lines, and I'm hoping not to make too big of a mess. All right, first step is completed. The bypass valve has been installed. Bit of a tight fit. Now I just need to run these on up to secure the flare fittings. All right, so everything is tightened down. I cut lengths of PEX and put them on the other side here for the in and the out of the hot water heater. I think I'm only gonna need these 90-degree ones, and I'll be able to return these straight ones. But you know how it goes, you always wanna have extra so you don't have to run to the hardware store. Well, I hope you guys can see this, because this is kind of the best it's gonna get for showing to you on camera. Okay, SharkBite fitting on there and going on there. Okay, that is it. Not too big of a project, a lot more intimidating than it needs to be. If I remember correctly, I have to now close the bypass. And I sure as heck hope that I got all these hooked up right, but I triple checked them. And now we put the hot water heater plug back in. I suppose this is the moment of truth. What's happening down here? See water moving. The water pump is filling up the hot water heater right now, but I don't see any leaks. That's good, guys. Good, good, good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video about RV plumbing lines. I'm no expert at doing stuff like this. I'm just willing to jump in and give it a shot. But don't be intimidated. You can do a lot of stuff yourself, guys, and I hope you learned something. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you later.